Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a house or apartment you would like to live in. You should say where it would be, what you would like to do there, who you would like to live there with, and explain why you would like to live in this place.
I think my ideal house would be located in a peaceful and serene area, perhaps somewhere near a forest or a lake. It would be a spacious and modern house with large windows that let in plenty of natural light. Upon entering, there would be a cozy living room with a fireplace, perfect for relaxing on cold winter nights. The kitchen would be well equipped with modern appliances, and there would be a large dining table where my family and I could enjoy meals together. There would be several bedrooms, each with its own bathroom, providing plenty of space and privacy for everyone in the house. Additionally, there would be a separate room that could be used as an office or a library, with floor-to-ceiling bookshelves and a comfortable reading chair. Outside, there would be a large garden with a patio and plenty of space for outdoor activities. There would be a barbecue grill, a swimming pool, and a hot tub, perfect for entertaining guests and spending time with family. I would like to live in this house with my family, as it would provide us with plenty of space, privacy, and comfort. It would be perfect for relaxation and unwinding after a long day. Moreover, it would be an ideal location for hosting family gatherings and events, creating lasting memories with loved ones. Overall, my ideal house would be a modern, spacious, and comfortable retreat located in a peaceful and serene environment where I can create lasting memories with my family and friends. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.